So if you're going to make anything blackened, you got to have blackened seasoning. And it's so easy to make, there's no reason to buy this kind of stuff. Now I have one just to show you what this is. If you're going to buy blackened seasoning, get a decent one. This one's actually pretty good, and in a pinch, it's fast and simple. But blackened seasoning's so easy to make, why bother buying this stuff? All it is paprika, salt, pepper, thyme, oregano and basil, red cayenne pepper, onion powder, and powdered garlic or garlic powder. That's all there is. Equal parts of these, 2 parts paprika. If you do it yourself, it has so much better flavor. Okay, so we're going to make blackened catfish. Now the first thing you need is blackened seasoning. I'm going to melt down some butter. If you'd rather use oil, that's fine, but I think butter makes the flavor better personally. So I've got just over half a stick of butter that I'm melting down here. And I've got 2 nice catfish fillets. Now all I'm going to do is just lay these in the blackened seasoning. Just roll them around a little bit. And we're just going to lay the fish in there. You're basically frying it, but it's not really going to fry. It's going to cook that blackened seasoning into the fish. We're going to cover it so the steam actually cooks the fish. Okay, so with the cover on, the fish is cooking well, cooking along. We're going to bring that heat up to about medium-high. Let it cook pretty good on each side before you turn it over. You really want to burn that seasoning into the fish. That's why it's called blackening, because it actually does turn the fish kind of black. Turn our light on there so we can see it a little better. I'll show you what it looks like as we turn it over. When you turn the fish, you want to make sure you move the butter as well, because you don't want hot spots. Cover that back up. We'll cook on that side. Then we'll finish it real hot here in just a minute. Okay, I just turned the fish over and took the lid off so you can see the crusting that starts to happen with the blackening. You can also hear how it's pushing through there, almost frying the fish. It's actually cooking with the steam from the butter. But that crusting is why it's called blackened. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes per side. This is not something you just throw in the fryer and cook in 3 minutes. You need to cook this all the way through. You're going to see that fish kind of contract as it cooks. It's been a couple of minutes. We got some serious steam coming out of here. Go ahead and flip these over. They are done. There, you have blackened catfish. As always, eat fabulous. It's Mardi Gras. Enjoy, and I'll have more for you on Mardi Gras foods coming up very shortly. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like, hit that little bell on the bottom so you get notified. Have a great day.